I want all people to be Indians first, Indians last, and nothing else but Indians, said Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yellarigu namaskara, honorable dignitaries, and my dear respected fellow citizens. Today, I am here to speak to pay homage to our national leader, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, on his birth anniversary, which is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti every year. The moment we remember the name Baba Sahib Ambedkar, the first phrase that strikes our mind is Father of Constitution, because he was the chief architect of Indian Constitution, which took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be created. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was also the leader of Dalits. But let me tell you, he was more than what many of us know about him. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a multi-talented personality. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a scholar par excellence. He could speak 11 languages proficiently. He was the first Indian to have a doctorate in economics abroad. He was an anthropologist, he was a sociologist, he was a barrister by profession, and he was the first law minister of independent India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wanted to rebuild the Indian society by following the rule of equality. He also ran social movements in order to eradicate the caste system in our society.
He always said education is the most powerful thing. He fought for the people's right and he told us everyone is equal. Today we let us remember his hard work and his ideas of kindness. To honor him, education is the equality for all and justice for all. Thank you.
अम्बेडकर इनका पूरा नाम डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी अम्बेडकर था। उनका जन्म 14 अप्रैल 1891 में मध्य प्रदेश के महू गांव में हुआ था। उनके पिता रामजी मनोजी सपकाळ और माता भीमाबाई थे। डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर भारतीय संविधान के रचनाकार और भारतीय समाज के एक महान नेता थे। जो इंसान झुक सकता है वो इंसान झुका भी सकता है, ऐसे डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर के विचार थे। डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर इनके पिताजी फौज में नौकरी करते थे।
माझे मित्र मैत्रिणी, आज 14 एप्रिल, ज्यांनी आपल्याला वाघिणींचं दूध पाजलं आणि शिखा, संघटित व्हा आणि संघर्ष करा हा मंत्र दिला, त्या भारतीय राज्यघटनेचे शिल्पकार भारतरत्न डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर आज यांची जयंती.
By regarding the Dalits, the man who gave us the fundamental rights like fraternity, equality, liberty, justice, etc. The man, he was born on 14th April 1891 in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. 1891 in Mahu, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Ramji Sakapal and mother's name was Bhimabai. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had many struggles and challenges in his early school life. Like, he was not allowed to sit with the other students in his class. He was treated differently. He was not able to drink the water in his school. But this was not enough to stop him. He focused on his studies and never gave up.
Birth anniversary of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Today we are celebrating the question which he left for all of us. And the question is, are you truly equal today? Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar did not just only write the law, he tried to change the thinking of the people. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's dream was very simple, to create a society where no one feels small. Imagine a person who told by his childhood that he is less than others, yet he became the most educated person in the world. Imagine a person who get rejection again and again, yet he get